Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luz, and in today's video I will show you how I do my current wash and go routine. For this video I am featuring DevaCurl products. Influenster was kind enough to send me this box to try out without them knowing that I already love and use DevaCurl on a regular basis. All opinions are my own and I am not getting paid to do this video. I start off by using the No Poo Decadence Zero Lather Ultra Moisturizing Milk Cleanser on my wet hair. This shampoo does not suds up since it has no sulfates that can strip the hair's natural oils. I like to make sure that I massage this onto my scalp first and then make my way towards the ends. I feel like it is very moisturizing and great for curls that need a little extra hydration like I do. Once I have it all over my hair, it's time to rinse it off. I follow it up with the One Condition Decadence. I go in with the conditioner because it's not heavy and does not weigh down my curls, while at the same time leaves my hair super moisturized and soft. Now it's time to rinse it off. No peeking. I do this routine once a week, alternating between shampoos. Some other shampoos I like are the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Co-Conditioning Wash and the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Another conditioner I really like is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This one smells really good. Now it's time for my styling cream. Today I used the DevaCurl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler, but another one I love and a cheaper alternative is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I start off by squeezing out any excess water and applying it to the ends of my hair before going in with my brush to distribute it evenly throughout. Then I take any old t-shirt, or you can use a microfiber towel to wrap up the hair. This works better than a regular towel because it does not over dry or leave my hair frizzy. Once I am all dressed and ready, I start off by parting my hair. Most of the time I leave it where it naturally parts, but sometimes I like to go in and define the part. Then I like to go in with Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel and apply it in sections. I start off with the left, then the right, and then the back of my head, using my fingers to rake it through. Front curls to be really defined, so I twist off sections away from my face. It doesn't need to be super precise or anything, and there's no rhyme or reason how I do it. Then I let my hair air dry about 90% through. Usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. I don't like to use heat on my hair, but you can always use a dryer and a diffuser so you can if you're in a hurry. Once it's at about 90% dry, I go in and mess up the curls. I like to really fluff up the hair with my fingers and make it look super duper fluffy. The end result is always moisturized, healthy looking hair with no frizz, with a little bit of hold, but not crunchy at all. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that little face right there where I'm pointing at, and it'll get you subscribed. And if you want to watch any of my other videos, you can choose any of these two I'm pointing to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.